Hi there, this is Jesse from Work Then Play, and today we're going to fix these
Baby has soiled herself again. We need more diaper wipes. It's about time you put something useful on this channel.
To make your own wipes, you'll need a large container such as a 1 gallon or 4-liter ice cream tub, which you've cleaned out well, sturdy paper towel, Kirkland and Bounty brand have worked well for me, a knife to cut the paper towel, I recommend a bread knife, 3 cups of water, Castile soap, coconut oil, and optional is essential oil of lavender. You can boil your water for about 10 minutes, then add in your coconut oil. Alternatively, if you want to use 3 cups of distilled water, you only need to warm the water up enough to melt the oil. Next, add in your Castile soap. If you're waiting for your boiled water to cool, you can use your time to cut your paper towel roll in half and pull out the core. A note about cutting tools. I've tried various knives and even a saw, but I found the cheap bread knife to work the best. Once the core is out, you can find the end and keep that on the top. Then place the paper towel into the container and pour your mixture on top. You'll notice I'm alternating between the boiled water and cold distilled water. That's my busy mom hack. It's faster this way than waiting for 3 cups of water to cool and cheaper than using all distilled water. Next, you may decide to add in some essential oil if your baby doesn't have sensitive skin. After you've cut an X into the lid of the container, you can feed the end of the paper towel into it and you're ready to try your DIY baby wipes. I know this channel's lame, but you can subscribe or like and I won't judge you.